We like the Cyber Senate format because it's very intimate. You get a lot of high-quality conversations, and we're able to express really directly in context of what their needs are, kind of how we fit, and what we can bring to the table. So it's quite important for us. One of the things that we want to be able to do industry-wide is raise the bar in terms of maintaining operational resilience in the face of the onslaught of cyber attacks. And to do that, Waterfall is focused on OT, focused on operational technology and operational systems, and particularly cybersecurity around that. And we view the ability to have hardware enforcement for protection of cybersecurity at the top level. It's simplistic in the sense that it's hardware enforced, but it's also something that allows for a confidence level of engineering that says that there's no way through that type of hardware enforcement to actually breach into an OT system. So it's quite important for us to bring that design pattern to the industry and have folks understand that you can design in unidirectional terms. Well, the big thing is that we're starting to see, particularly at this event, the level of awareness and discernment has really improved over the last 3 or 4 years in terms of the conversations. It used to be about how are we going to educate and train our personnel? What are we going to do to report incidents? Now we're talking about standards, standards like the IEC 63452, who's really going to bring some level of commonality and transparency on mitigation measures. So the level here at this event is quite different than 3 or 4 years ago. And the types of questions we're getting, particularly from Waterfall, is how can you help me really protect and provide the highest level of protection that we see others and other critical infrastructures using? So, give us some ideas how to do that in the OT space. The biggest point is that when you come to a Cyber Senate event, it's an intimate setting. It's not 3,000 or 4,000 people, and the quality level of conversations, particularly the panel discussions and the roundtable discussions, you really get that feedback that says, this is my pain points. These are the things I'm wanting to deal with at the operator level. And then you've got consultant level, and then you have vendor level around the same discussion. And so that multi-stakeholder view coming to address the question that comes from an operator or a vendor that's saying, how are we going to deal with this in the industry? That's something you don't get that sort of dialogue in a larger event.